Hello, Mrs. C. This is my sample for January week of the 25th. 25th. Um, and this is part of the lightsaber video, and this is like what it is like before it really becomes a video. So right now, this is going to be a the orange thing is going to be the lightsaber overlapping. Right now there is a video below it, but because the solid color is on top, it shows that it's just an orange screen. But if I scroll in here, you can see the video below it. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to first, you can start to see the video through, and I go to about here. Okay, thank you. We're good. All right, and then I go to the crop area. I zoom in, and I can have the mask option, which is what I want. And I'm going to go back here actually, and I want to do the mask option. So this is at the beginning of the video, and you can see the bar here, which shows where I am at the beginning of that clip. And then I go here and I do a little box. It doesn't really matter because I can morph and turn it into. So then you can see over here the little thing that I have created, and you can like move it around. I keep it like this until I'm done, and then what I do is I come over here, and you can see that black pole, which is actually what is the lightsaber basically, and I adjust this to fit around it to the point where it's right there. And then I, shrink it a little bit, draw it down a little bit there. And then, so that's frame one. And then you have to go all the way and keep going with it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm then going to go jump a couple of frames. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. And then I'm going to draw this up here because now the sword is full frame. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to put this over here. It's really, really time consuming for the most part, but these larger movements take that longer. So I'm going to do that. And yeah. So that is frame 3. So now this is frame 2, and I didn't even do anything here. See, the lightsaber is not quite there yet. So I need to adjust it again. Because thing. So, but it will follow. It'll travel to that certain area in that matter of frames. So sometimes you can like skip like 8 frames and it doesn't really make much of a difference. But then, as you can see, it kind of follows it, and then you get to the next frame. So that's basically how it works. I'm going to mute this track so I can show you how, and then that's what it's going to look like. But in the Vegas Studio, for whatever reason, it decided that when I render the video, it wants to look different than the way it actually looks, so it looks kind of blocky. It looks a little right there, but once I render it, it looks better. But if I go to Effects, and I turn the effects off, you can kind of see that box that I created, and then I turn them back on. But it's even worse if I go here and I turn it off. Then that's all you can see. So it's kind of cool. Anyway, that's my sample for the week.